can see now we have to do this part over here, the intake part with the strange uh, division. So we're just gonna start by extruding it from that point over onwards there. Just a couple of words. Let's keep it like that. Let's get the entire edge loop up in the inside, but before that we have to push it inside, following the steps over in the right side blueprint. Let's fix the alignment first. After that we can just go on with the flow. Let's just extrude that part, leaving the corner vertice alone, and let's extrude it over on the y-axis and just push it inside from the right side. As you can see, we have left the inside corner vertice and we haven't extruded that. So let's push that back since it has gone way too far. We might have a triangle over here too. There we go. We have to improvise and fix it later on, but for now it is fine. Now let's get the edge loop that we have just extruded the entire edge loop, then just move it up on the. Okay, let's just get the inside edge loop. Okay, let's get the entire inside edge loop that we have just extruded. Let's SZ that, keeping the top vertice as the anchor point, and let's SX that, again SZ there, and then just a manual tweak. Just keep that in mind that you use the S then the following direction as much as possible, since that keeps the flow intact. That won't break your alignment or the curves or anything else in most cases. Let's make a triangular face over there. So since that seems the most logical thing to do for now, and now we can just gonna get started with the rest of the place. So the part we're gonna do now, it is slightly outside. We can just extrude it on the on the left side, in that manner, and just push it outside over on the y-axis. We need one more edge loop in the middle. Another face, cool. First things first, let's just push it outside first. Then we can make the faces. Seems alright. One more edge loop in the middle, then just making the faces. There we go.